In this video, we're going to take a look at the power rotator. Now, we're going to kind of work backwards. I'm going to show you how the statistics work first and what this is doing, and then I'll shoot another video showing you how to create a campaign. So you see we're over here on the statistics tab. I've got a button that allows me to create the rotator, and then I've got the statistics. Now down below that, we've got the same buttons that you saw inside the link bank. I can look at all my rotators, my pending, my active, and my completed. I come down a little bit lower and I've got the ability to go ahead and export into Excel, CSV, PDF. I can print it or I can turn off certain columns. Everything's the same throughout all of these modules. However, there is one big difference, and you will see this throughout some of the modules inside of EasyLinks. And the reason why is because a campaign consists of multiple campaigns or links underneath it. So you see over here, I've got my link. It's all working in good status. And then here is the name of my campaign. And you already know what this is. Edit, delete, reset stats, copy link, clone, go to the global stats. I've got my type, which we'll cover. If I want to tie it to a master campaign, I can. Here is the number of rotator links inside this campaign. Here is the number of links that have been visited. Here's where I can get my link, and then here's the status. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. But if you notice, we have two links inside this one campaign, and we have two links inside of this campaign. So what we need to do is we need to come over here and click this little down arrow, and now you'll see that here's my first link. And I've got all these settings here that we're going to cover. And here's my second link. Okay? That's how we view the links or the sub-campaigns inside the main campaign. We can do the same thing for this up here. I open this up, and you see that we've got two links and all this data here that I'm going to cover with you. Now, since we know there is the main campaign that we're going to set up, and there's also these links inside of that campaign, well, that means that we have two separate setups. Number one, I can click this here, and I can get into the main campaign. This is where I set the name of the campaign, the status. This is where I choose my domain, everything we did in the link bank. And then there's this extra option down here that allows you to choose a rotation type. But whenever you see this little 3-point boomerang thing, if you click this, this is going to take you to the second part of your campaign. And this is where I actually set up my links. And again, you will see this set up in multiple modules. So just understand, if you see the link and you click the link, that's going to take you into the first part of the campaign. And if you click this little boomerang deal here, that's going to take you into the second part of the campaign. And you click this little arrow here, and you're able to see the links inside your campaign. And several modules throughout EasyLinks are going to require that you set up multiple links per campaign. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how we set up that rotator.